Hello learners. Now in this video I am going to start question number 33. So let's see what is given. A man sold some rupees 100 shares paying 10% dividend at a discount of 25% and invested the proceeds in rupees 100 shares. Okay, wait a minute. First of all, we will try to understand what is given. A man sold some rupees 100 shares. Means he has sold. What was the face value of the shares? That was 100. Okay. And dividend percent he was getting from that share was 10%. But he sold it when the share was at discount and discount was 25%. It means market value must be 75 rupees because earlier face value was 100 rupees. So the market value is at discount. So it is 100 minus 25. So it is 75 rupees. Okay. Then what he did, he sold his all the shares and then he invested this amount for another share, and face value of those new shares was rupees 100, but dividend percent was 16%. Okay. And quoted at rupees 80 means market value of this new share was rupees 80. When he was buying these shares, he bought it at the rate of 80 rupees per share, and thus increased his income by rupees 2000. Okay. Find the number of shares sold by him. So what was the number of shares in first case? We are going to find out that. So let's see how I have solved the sum. Given that face value of each share is rupees 100. Okay, market value is rupees 75 as I told you. So similarly I have solved that face value minus 25% discount is equals to 100 minus 25 by 100 into 100. So 100 cancelled, and that is 100 minus 25, that is equals to rupees 75. Okay. Now what was the dividend percent? He was getting 10% profit from this share. So as the number of shares are not given, so I have written just assume that number of shares is equals to x. Okay. Then what was the dividend he was getting from first share? So I have written formula of dividend, that is dividend percent upon 100 into face value into number of shares. Okay. And then we put the value, that is 10 upon 100 into 100. Face value was 100, so I have written 100, and number of shares which we assumed x, so I have written x. Now this 100 and 100 is cancelled, so dividend is equals to 10x by first type of shares. Okay. Now what we are going to do, when he sold these shares, what was his earning? So I have make a statement. See, received amount on selling of these type of shares, first type of shares, is equals to what? Mark value into number of shares. Naturally that will be the thing. Now he was about to sell the shares, so what was the market value at that timing? We will multiply that with number of shares, but we don't know what was the number of shares, so just we have written x into 75. So this is 75x. Okay. So I hope it is clear. And this will be what? This will be equals to what? Total investment for second type of shares. That is I have mentioned here, because he sold his first share at 75x rupees and he invested the same money for the second shares. That's why I've written here that is equal to total investment of the second type of shares. Now number of new shares purchased by him is equals to what? That is equals to, as we know, the formula is total investment by market value. What was his investment? That is 75x, just now we have calculated, divided by, now what is the market value of new share? That is given is rupees 80. That's why I've written 75x upon 80. It means he bought 15x by 16 shares. This is the number of new shares. Okay. And what is the dividend percent of the this type of shares? Dividend percent was 16%. So dividend on this many shares, I've written here that dividend on 15x by 16 shares equals to what? You can write only dividend. Okay. So I have written dividend percent upon 100 into face value into number of shares, and dividend percent for this type of share is 16%. So I have written 16 by 100. What is the face value? That is 100. What is the number of shares? 15x by 16, just we have calculated just now. Now just 16 and 16 cancelled, 100 cancelled. So what is the dividend? This is 15x. Now try to understand. In first share he was getting 10x as dividend, and here he is getting 15x as dividend. So what is increase in his dividend, in his income? That is equals to what? 15x minus 10x means now he is getting 5x more dividend as compared to earlier one. Okay, while it is given that increased income is equals to what? 2000. Just now we have calculated that increased income is 5x. This is 5x. Okay, according to our calculation, increased income is 5x. In question it is given 2000, so we equate it to get the value of x. So 5 divided to this number, that is equals to 400. It means x is equals to 400. And what was x? That is number of shares he purchased. So that is equals to 400, and that is our answer. So he bought 400 previous shares. And here our answer is over, children. Bye bye.